Good morning everyone. Today is a beautiful day. Welcome to Eden, and we are going to plant some daffodils, some tulips. This is the time of a season where the soil is still very soft and nice and tender. And yeah, let's get cracking. I've got about 90 yellow beautiful daffodil, and you could see I've got this beautiful gadget here. This is a mouse. It took me literally 5 minutes to just dig 90 holes. So I will put the link on Amazon for you to see if you want one. So let's get planting. These are so beautiful. Look at that. Basically like an onions. And I'm planting them right now in October. And it will go in the ground for about 5 to 6 months. And that's where when spring comes and it's blossom. And it seems like it's going to sleep. It's dormant. Have you ever felt like, you know, your prayer and to God has been dormant, has been silent? God is not there. And I sometimes feel like that, but the Bible said, you know, God knows the time. He is always on time. He is never late. And He knows the right time where to blossom. Like those little babies here, they go in the winter, there's snow, it's cold, rainy, they're covered. And spring comes and they blossom so beautifully. It brings so much joy. So if you're waiting for your prayers to be answered and it hasn't answered yet, do not give up, because God is a God. He's always on time and He is never ever late.